Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, PC Error Fix. Today, we've got a common and frustrating problem that many of you might have encountered. Have you ever tried to use the Bootrec/Fixboot command to repair your Windows operating system, only to be hit with an access is denied error? Well, you're not alone, and in this video, we're going to tackle this Bootrec/Fixboot access is denied error and show you exactly how to fix it. Here, have a look at the solutions you need to try. Solution 1, perform system restore. Solution 2, rebuild the MBR. Solution 3, disable fast boot in BIOS. Solution 4, perform startup repair. Solution 5, run CHKDSK command. Now, before starting with the detailed steps in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also ring the bell to get notified when another video lands. Solution 1, perform system restore. System restore is a great process that brings your computer to a previous error-free state. So, first perform a system restore. Hold the Shift key or Function key when your PC reboots. Next, in the System Recovery section, click on the Troubleshoot option. Then, click on Advanced Options. Now, click on the System Restore option. Next, your computer will reboot in the System Restore environment. From the Choose an Account to Continue screen, choose your user account. Type in your password and click on Continue. You can click on Enter to proceed if your user account does not have a password. In the upcoming System Restore screen, choose the most recent restore point and proceed with Next. Proceed with the on-screen instructions to finish the System Restore process. Now, your system restarts, then try to log in and check if the error recurs again. Solution 2, rebuild the MBR. To fix the Bootrec/Fixboot access denied error, then try to rebuild MBR in Windows PC. Follow the steps to do so. Boot from Windows 10 installation disk, and after booting click on Next as per instruction. Click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Command Prompt. Then in the command prompt type the below given commands one by one and hit Enter after each to execute. Now, wait for the process to complete and exit the command prompt. And reboot the Windows system. Solution 3, disable fast boot in BIOS. To deal with the access denied error on your system, you can try disabling the fast boot setting in BIOS. You can hit the F2/F10/F11/F12/DEL keys on your PC when your system boots up to access the BIOS/UEFI settings. Navigate to the boot settings or advanced mode on the screen. And then search for the fast boot/quick boot option. Then, click on it to change the setting to disabled. Reboot your system and try signing in. Solution 4, perform startup repair. It's still seeing the error, then here it is suggested to run startup repair and fix the error. Here, follow the steps to do so. Hold the Shift key or Function key when your PC reboots. This takes your PC to the Windows recovery environment. Now navigate to repair your computer, click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options, then click on the Startup Repair option. Next, wait for the result of the automatic repair and follow the instructions that appear to fix Fixboot access denied error. Solution 5, run CHKDSK command. Running the CHKDSK command will help you to fix the errors presented on disk, so it might work for you to troubleshoot Bootrec/Fixboot access denied error. First, you need to boot from the Windows 10 installation disk. Open command prompt and run it as an administrator. Then in the command prompt type CHKDSK C/R and hit Enter. Please note, Windows is mostly installed on C drive, but if the drive letter for your system partition is different, type the real one. And wait for the process to complete and restart. And there you have it. With these methods, you can resolve the Bootrec/Fixboot access is denied error and get your system back on track. If you found this video useful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.